Apply it right on the nails. After we buff and fix, you wipe up with the alcohol, clean all the dust off. And first step, we're going to apply the condensed glue gels, and then next will be is no wipe top coat. Floating on the top, you don't want to drag too much and press too much pressures on the top of condensed glue gel, because you don't want to pull the condensed glue gel off from the nails. And we'll go ahead and apply the fall leaves. Of course, my favorite is pumpkin spice. It was so nice at the show that we got to see so many beautiful faces, with a lot of you stopping by, even to say hello. Thank you so much for stopping by and saying hello and supporting our team. And for a lot of you who was getting such a special show prize, enjoy, and I can't wait to see your beautiful creation. I'm gonna add a couple more crystal. I'm gonna go ahead and add some beads on. How's everyone doing? I'm so excited to be back. Sound like I have like my voice and losing my voice. Just normally, because every time I get back from the show, that's how like this, because we talk louder. I feel like we're screaming at the show, but not screaming, because music, like a lot of different vendors, a lot of different companies, they have is really loud music, so we have to talk even louder, so then all of the customer can hear us. It's extra. All right, couple more. It's the best thing about condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat is, if you're not happy with this, you can definitely, or if you need to adjusting it during a time before you cure, you can definitely do it first before you are going to cure it. And after you cure, you can able to like change it because it's set. But you can able to change it during a time you are doing your crystal design. I am going to add maybe a couple frame. I'm getting my frames right here. Keep in mind your frame, if it's too long, you can definitely trim it and cut it, okay? I am so obsessed with this frame. Okay, make sure I am getting it right in the center. All right, so happy with this. I am going to go ahead and clear for 60 seconds.